How to make a photo collage on iPhone without using any third-party apps. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can make a photo collage on iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is head over to an app called Shortcuts. Now this is a pre-installed app that should be on your iPhone. If you don't have it, you can easily get it from your app store. Open up Shortcuts, and after you open up your Shortcuts, go to the bottom right corner where it says Gallery. After you're on Gallery, simply head over to the search bar and search for Photo Grid. So search for Photo Grid, it's right here, tap on it, and after you tap on it, you can add the shortcut. There you will see Add Shortcut. Tap on the Add Shortcut button and then you can head back. Now after you're here again, head over to the Shortcuts that is on the bottom left. Now you will see the Photo Grid option. Simply tap on it and let it run. After you let it run, you can see different photos available in your photos gallery. So simply select the number of photos that you want and then tap on Add. After you tap on Add, it will take some time to load, but then you'll get a 4 photos collage that is on the square, and you'll just get it and then you can save it, then tap on Done. And that's basically how you can make a photo collage on your iPhone. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.